Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by confirming you have site owner or designer permissions for the site. If you lack permission, request it from an administrator before proceeding. Prepare the background image with 1920 x 1080 pixels and keep the file size under 15 MB for best performance. Decide whether the site is a modern site or a classic site because each uses different background methods. Modern sites support site header and theme images. Classic sites often require CSS or site settings to change backgrounds. Open your modern Sharepoint site and click the gear icon to open site settings. Then choose Change the Look to access header and background options for the site. Under Site Header, select the Layout and click Change to upload your prepared 1920 x 1080 image file. Use the focal point tool to position the important area of the image for various screen sizes. Choose a dark or light overlay and set the transparency to improve text readability against the image background. For classic Sharepoint sites, open Site Settings and navigate to Master Page or Look and Feel to change background. You may need to add custom CSS with a background image URL and ensure the image path is accessible to all users. After applying changes, preview the site on desktop and mobile to confirm the focal point and contrast look correct. If you manage multiple sites, use a hub or site design to apply the same background across sites. Finally, save or publish your changes to make them live.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.